How to add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Import your footage and add markers where you want this shake effect to happen in your video. Then come up to Effects, search for Camera Shake and drag the Camera Shake effect onto your video. Then come into Effect Controls, scroll down, change camera mode to Earthquake, then set Strafe to 50%, Stride to also 50%, set Roll to 0, Variation to 0, Stabilize to 0, and then set Speed to 200. Keep Auto Scale checked. If you don't check this, you're going to get black bars around the edges of your video. Then come down to Master and set this also to 0. Then move your playhead to where you want the effect to kick in and create an initial keyframe for Master. Move 3 frames ahead using your arrow, then set the Master to 100%. I do find this to be a bit too extreme, so I'm going to go 75%. Then move forward 5 frames and then set the Master back to 0. When you play it back, you're going to have this shake effect. Now to duplicate this throughout our project, just simply move your playhead to the next marker, copy your keyframes and then paste them at the next marker, and then continue doing this until you have all of the keyframes pasted over the markers of your video. Now when we play this back, we have this shake effect on those beats in our video, and that's all there is to it.